Well, everyone, iOS 26.5.2 has just came out, so let's go and take a look at it on the iPhone 12. Now, this update was a pretty big size update coming from something like an iPhone 12. This one, I think I was coming from iOS 26.5. So you can see right here, it was about 614.6 megabytes. Now, this update, all it basically brought was just a bunch of bug fixes and improvements. So there's not any like iOS 27 level of updates or anything like that coming down into this particular update. All it was doing was just basically fixing those types of issues and problems that was coming from previous updates. Now, there was a lot of different things they threw in here. So if we take a look at the release log, there were lots of kernel updates all over the place. There's lots of other random glitches, and I think there was also a virus that basically came out, which was a malicious web extension that could cause unexpected process crashes. So basically, Apple has gone through and kind of addressed and fixed this problem here as well. So now this has kind of been fixed here for the most part too. So Apple has gone through, pretty much addressed and fixed these problems under WebKit. So that was something that was a really big issue. So that's been fixed here. Now, so far it's been good, and I feel like it's a solid update. And if you're on iOS 26, especially 26.5, I would highly recommend going through and updating to this version of software, since it looks like it's going to be a much more stable version. So in terms of that, that covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.